We're 54 years old. We're very excited about that. And what we have been blessed to do is protecting and empowering approximately 4.5 million lives in the United States and America. And this facility that you're looking at is our home office in Ada, Oklahoma. But what's important to you, ladies and gentlemen, is that our vision is to provide equal access to liberty, equality, opportunity, and justice that every human deserves. Well, of course, you expect Ms. Johnson, you expect me to say great things about our company, but names that you are familiar with, Forbes, CNBC, Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, they say great things about Legal Shield. Why? Because it's stated that documentation beats conversation every day. So how do we do this? We have, with over 4 million lives, our members pay a subscription fee monthly. It's a shared economy process. It's the collective buying power of millions that make our access so affordable. Now, with that being said, we have a whole suite and portfolio of services that we're able to offer. And you see these particular add-ons. I will talk about them as we proceed. But I want to highlight a couple of things. One, we're going to talk about your personal protection, and we're going to talk about your business. And then finally, we'll conclude with an opportunity. Is that fair? Wonderful. So here, our preferred legal plan. This is $37.95. Here's what it does. It covers the member, the spouse, and eligible dependent children. Here's what you get. Unlimited number of personal legal matters, letters and calls made on your behalf at the discretion of the attorney, document review, residential loan document, but here's a highlight right here. Most of our members appreciate the fact that now they can get their will, durable power of attorney, and physician's directive living will. Oh my God, it gets better. And they can get it updated every year if they haven't life events change. And let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that right there is worth the value all alone.